Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff, and today we're gonna install this hood lover or hood bend onto the Toyota Rav4 on my back. So this lover is from a Jeep Wrangler JK, so it's pretty much fit on the Rav4 suit. So I'm really excited to install this. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So let's install this lover on the Rav4. So let's go. All right guys, so I bought this on Facebook Market for $30. It's kinda used, so I'm gonna figure it out to buy some bolts and nuts for it, and it's fit perfectly on the Rav4. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure it, and then I'm gonna put some paint to measure where I'm gonna cut. So paint here, 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 so I can like measure it like going like that, and then that, and then get that. So same thing with the other side and this one too. So yeah, so for this one, so it's supposed to have like a bump stop or something, and I went to Walmart and I found this is a heavy duty anti-skid pad. So it's gonna be like, so there's a hole inside there, so it's gonna be like that. So just to cover up the it doesn't have any purpose anyway, just to make it like, I guess, design or something, but hey, just to make it, you know, more cleaner. So anyway, let me just what do you call that, measure it up, and then after that we're gonna cut this one. So it's gonna be the same thing what I did on my Honda Fit. So yeah, so since I put some dots on it and already I don't know what happened to my GoPro, but I already drew some holes on it, so it's already been measured. Now I'm gonna make a line on where I'm gonna cut. Alright, so it's been measured, so well, it doesn't matter anyway, it's gonna be covered with that the hood lover. So I'm gonna have to cut this and this. It's just pretty much this first layer of the sheet, and then I'm not gonna cut underneath because, you know, I just want to, like, you know, to get a little bit more air. All right, so I'm done cutting on it, and that's pretty much I'm gonna do. Especially, you know, I'm not gonna do this because it's structural support, and there's like a hole there anyway to bend the hot heat out to the engine bay, so, you know, to make the engine bay a little bit cooler. But yeah, let me just clean it, and then I'm gonna put some paint on it so it won't rust. I'm not sure what material is this, is aluminum or steel, I don't know, but still I'm gonna paint it black. So let me just clean it up. And plus, it's not gonna go overspray. I know some people will comment this, just make your, you know, nozzle a little bit closer. You're not gonna be like spreading all over. So alright guys, so once it's dry, it's time to install the hood lover. So far it looks terrible right now, but once I install it, it's gonna look sick. So I'm so excited right now. Alright, time to install. Okay, well, just to avoid rusting on the hole, so I'm gonna like dip this one, and then just simply like installing like that. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish everything, and after that, that's it. Alright, so I'm done guys. So it's pretty easy to install, and it take me like 30 minutes or so to do it, especially when you're gonna cut the hood. Just make sure, you know, just follow the line here. So I like put a cotton buds and like paint it a little bit here and the side here and there, so as you can see earlier. So yeah, and I leave this you know, I leave this unpainted because I like I like the look of it. So yeah, it's pretty much easy. So let me give you some shot on it while I'm driving on it. So I'll see you there. Alright guys, so this is it, and I already play in the mud and some water or mud went inside already. So I'm gonna show you the engine bay. Let me just open it up. And it's dirty, so that's the hole there, and that one too, and that one, and that one, and that's pretty much the holes there. The reason I don't want to cut is because, like I said, it's structural support, so, and it's pretty much like, you know, looks clean anyway, so I don't need like a bigger hole on it. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about it, and right now it's really cool looking though. So as you can see, yeah, it's really look nice actually though. So I hope you like this video guys, and hopefully it helps you, you know, if you wanna like try to do this thing. Like I said, I bought this like a $30 on Facebook Market, and it's not hey, it's only $30, and I saw in the internet it's gonna like cost like $150, so I got a good deal. But hey, it's aluminum, it's not gonna rust in anything. Just make sure the hood, when you're drilling or cutting a hood, just paint it so it won't get rust. But yeah, so anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and so to inspire me to do more like this. So see you next time for another DIY build or whatever for my Rav4 or any kind of build. So peace out guys.